Hi you guys, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm box, my July Boxycharm box, and I'm going to be doing a try on haul, you guys. So if you guys would like to see what I got this month and see me try on some makeup, just keep on watching. So I'm so excited. I got my July box right here, and yeah, let's open it. So it looks like this. Oop, some falling out. So it looks like this when you open it. Yeah. So the first thing that I received this month, you guys, is the Element Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It looks like this. I've seen reviews on this already, so I'm not gonna do a review like I'll try on with this. But somebody did say it smelled kind of weird, so I just want to see how it smells because it don't smell that bad. To me, it just smells like a mask, like a regular mask. So yeah, it don't smell that bad to me. But I don't know how it is. I hope it's good. But I don't know. I'm kind of excited for it, and I like that as a veggie mask. So yeah, I got that. So the next thing I got is the Luxie brushes. It looks like this. I like the packaging. It comes with 3 brushes. It comes with a large eye blending brush, a precision crease brush, and a foundation brush. Let's see. So this is the precision crease brush right here. It looks like that. Really nice. And this is the foundation brush. Oh wow, this is so cute though. I like these brushes. Oh wow, yes. I thought it was gonna feel synthetic for some reason, but no. I do have other Luxie brushes that I received from Boxycharm, and I have to say they are amazing. So yeah, I'm excited. This is a foundation brush, and I got a blending brush, and it looks like this. So I'm excited to use those. The next thing I got is this Butter London palette. It looks like this. You guys tell me if the packaging is not cute. So cute. This is how the inside looks. I will be doing a try on with this and review. So I'm excited about that. And then the next thing I got is this Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick. I got like 4 of these, and I have to say these lipsticks are amazing. I got it in Santorini. Just like this. Pretty color. And the last thing that I got is the Appeal gel liner. I did get this the Appeal gel liner in my Yes or Yes box. I got it in green, I believe, and this one is in deep taupe. So this gel liner is also great. So yeah. Okay you guys, so let's do the eyes. So I already primed it all my makeup and everything. I just want so I just need to do my eyes. Let me see. First, let's do some swatches. So this is Enchantress. I'm for the swatch right here. That's how Enchantress look, which is very pretty. This is Queen. This is Queen right here. This is Star. Right there. This is Diva. Very pretty, and the pigment is already good, I can tell. Temptress, so pretty. And Femme Fatale. Oh wait, no, let me do that again. Which is very pretty. So let me just give you a closer look on the palette. So pretty, you guys. So I am going to start, I think I'm going to be using Temptress, and I don't know, let's just go through it. Let's just try it. Okay, so I'm going to be using Temptress on my crease. So let's do that. Let me take the blending brush, and I'm going to put it on in my crease. Okay. Um, it's kind of stiff, like it's not blending how I want it to. So I'm just gonna go in with my regular blending brush. Maybe I need to like you know, use it more often because it's kind of stiff for me. Like, I don't know, it's kind of stiff. So I'm just gonna use my blending brush so it can be easier for me. Okay, so now that I got both sides blended, I think I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on my eye. I'm really not gonna cut the crease. I just want to like just cut it just a little bit on my lid, like right there. Maybe a little bit more, like half crease cut it. And then I'm going to be using the, what is this? The precision crease on this. So I'm gonna just take my blending brush again. I'm just gonna blend it just a little bit so it won't look, you know, just to blend it. So far I just used Temptress. Let me show you guys. I just used Temptress. Right now I'm gonna probably use Queen because I like that color. It's cute. I'm gonna use Queen on the other side of the crease brush. So that we use. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna blend. Have to blend, 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 blend. Okay. So I'm just gonna blend it again. So just everything will be nice and blended. So I'm gonna blend like just the two. Yeah, I want to be a little bit, like, I just want to put the blue down there just a little bit. I'm just going to put this Femme Fatale, which is this blue color right here. It's so pretty. I don't know, I'm feeling kind of, I don't know, adventurous, you could say. And I put this right here. I don't know why I just did that. My eyes are just so sensitive. I'm gonna put Temptress, which is the dark brown shade. I just wanna like do that. Like, does that make sense? And then I want to take Enchantress, which is this color right here. Put it on my tear duct. That's so pretty. Now I'm gonna put on my lashes and eyeliner, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, you guys, so I applied my lashes and my eyeliner. Now I'm just going to use the Appeal eyeliner, gel eyeliner. So I'm gonna be using the Appeal gel eyeliner. I'm just gonna use this in my put this on my lower waterline. The last thing I want to use is this Canary lipstick, but to be honest, I don't think it goes with the look, so I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. So this is how it looks. It's a very pretty color. I would do this in another look, but I mean, it wouldn't look, to me, it wouldn't look right. So I'm just going to be using the DC Lemonade lip gloss. I got this in my last month's Boxycharm. So I'm just going to be using this. Oh my, oh. It smells so good. It smells like cupcakes. It smells like cupcakes, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm sorry. It smells so good. Obviously, this is my first time using this. It makes me want to eat a cupcake. A vanilla cupcake. I feel too much. It smells so good. Okay, you guys, so that is all for this look. Overall, I do love the box. I love all my Boxycharm boxes, you guys. I love everything about Boxycharm, as I keep saying in every video. Oh my gosh, I do need to try this though, which I'm pretty sure is good. Everything that I got, I love. The palette is so pretty. This is how the eye look came out. Hope you guys can see that. Really like it. It's very pigmented. Color payoff is very good. I love everything about it. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I'll be so happy if you joined us, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.